All your big purpose is a very specific way of talking to people about what you are building. And it's this: I bring together, or we bring together, your ideal member, so that we can have our best year ever. Whatever your best year ever is, just stick it in there. Why this? Any human being is listening for, is this for me or somebody I know? And what would they get from it? Your big purpose delivers that on a perfectly beautiful silver platter for you to be able to take out into the world. The clearer you are with your big purpose, the more you are getting it out there to the right people, to find the people to bring in to join you. And this is especially true if you are somebody who has not done any marketing at any point in time, has never done sales before, doesn't have an email list. Your big purpose is how you start talking to people, and we're gonna show you exactly how to do that a little bit later. Here's the beautiful thing about how a big purpose works in practice. I'm sitting there talking to another human being. In this case, I'm gonna talk to Jonah, who's behind the camera right now, and I'm gonna tell him about my new community. All right, so everybody ready for this? Ready, great. Hey Jonah, how's it going? So good, right? Jonah asked me, what are you up to? And I say, you know, it's so funny you say that, Jonah. I am working on a new community. I'm bringing together people who want to make the perfect venison stew in the Midwest in the winter of 2026. And it's going to be a cook-off so that we can, once and for all, determine the right cut of meat, the right preparation, and the ultimate venison stew experience that then takes the internet by storm, turns into a Food Network show, and puts venison stew on the map in a way that has never happened before. Because I made that really specific about venison stew, it was memorable enough that even if it's not for you, you're kind of along for the ride, either because you think I've lost my mind around venison stew, or because it's just an interesting story. And as human beings, we are storytellers and we are story receivers. That is the power of a big purpose, is how our brains are wired to pay attention in a moment where so many people have so many distractions. So a big purpose sentence, this formula, it's a breakthrough. Watch the video here to learn how.